Good morning guys, welcome back for another video, Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the Ford Transit. It's a 2018 model. This one has a different steering wheel, it's a newer model, and I'm going to show you how you can reset this. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel to support us, develop more videos, to help each other. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. If you don't like our videos, let us know on the comment area. If you have any question, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. There are two methods, and I'm going to show you how you can reach both methods on how to surface reset or oil reset a Ford Transit 2018 and up. First one is turn the ignition on to the second position like this. Then you have a menu over here. Go to the menu. You can scroll down with this one, and this is the surface. Approved by pressing OK. Normally, some Ford Transit have a reset menu over here. This one doesn't have it. If yours have it, just scroll down and confirm by pressing the OK button, and your surface must be resetted. This one is different. We go out of the menu. Okay, we turn the ignition off. We use the pedals, the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. Press them both. Keep pressing them. Turn the ignition on. And hold the both pedals about 30 to 40 seconds. And after 30, about 40 seconds, the indicator on the dashboard disappears. I did it before, so I'm not able to show you the indicator here. And you can check it you can control or check it if it's working by turning off the ignition. Let go the pedals, and so the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. Turn on back the ignition, and normally if the surface is due, the menu appears over here, the indicator appears here, and if it doesn't appear, then you have successfully resetted the oil surface. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it, and did you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Hope to see you next time. Until next time, peace.